Friends, you won't believe it. Poland has started recruiting overseas workers. And the good bit is that most of these companies are currently employing as we speak. So what are you waiting for? These companies are also giving you what they call visa sponsorship. Let me also tell you that in case you don't know, the best time for you to start applying for jobs is between November to March of every year. This is because so many people will be changing their job or due to health challenges, retirement, relocation from one country to another, family reunification, or companies expansion and others. Friends, I will advise you to watch this video without skipping any part of this video, because if you skip this video, you are going to struggle when you try to apply for this job all by yourself. And this I can tell when reading your comments in the comment section. So friends, in case you don't know what Poland is all about, I would suggest you watch this video, because in that video I covered a lot about how to apply for jobs, all about Poland and what have you. So as you may know, Poland is located in Europe and she's part of the Schengen zone. This means that you can travel to any of these 28 countries that form the Schengen countries, such as France, Germany, Finland, and a host of others, visa free. Don't forget that Poland is surrounded by Czech Republic, Slovakia, Ukraine, Belarus, Russia, and the population of Poland is about 39 million people, and the average salary is 1,913 euros. The capital of Poland is Warsaw, which is also the largest city in Poland. The official name of this country is the Republic of Poland. Poland, as you know, ranks the 5th in terms of economic activity rates of foreigners among all European members. Some of the benefits, guys, if you want to move to Poland, include free holidays and medical insurance. You can also apply for PRO, also known as a permanent resident, after 5 years of living and working in Poland. You can move with your dependent, and the visa processing time is between 10 to 12 days. The children will have access to health and education free of charge. And lastly, you can travel around the 28 countries in the Schengen zone, like I said before. So to be able to relocate to Poland, you will need to know the jobs that are in high demand. These jobs include plumber, electrician, supermarket jobs, chef and commis chef, construction field, hotel industry, hospital caretaker, security guards, pickers, packers, and warehouse operators. You can find jobs also like IT and engineering jobs, driver and lorry drivers jobs are also available. So now that you are aware of the kind of job that are available in Poland, the next thing is that you will need to know how to apply for these jobs. To apply, you will need a striking CV, cover letter, and a supporting statement, after which you will need to apply for jobs that are related to your field. Like I said, that are related to your field, because if you don't do this, you will end up sending in application and yet there will be no response, or what you will get is rejection. So you must ensure you tailor your CV and read the job descriptions. Guys, apply for jobs 2 to 3 months, after which you will begin to see results. Some of the top job posting sites in Poland include Praco Jobs, Go Work, OLS, Prac.pl, Joby, Golden Line, No Fruit Jobs, and a host of others. Recruitment agencies in Poland include the following: Michael Page, Adecco Poland, Personal Service, Randstad Poland, Engels Zenda Poland, Contract, Condility, Job Target. So guys, these are some of the job portals you can use in Poland. You can find jobs in hospitals in Poland. You can find jobs in supermarket. You can find jobs in construction companies. These are companies that will give you construction work. These are companies that will help you with hotels job. These are popular food chains companies. These are courier delivery companies. So guys, without further ado, come with me to the computer. Let me show you how to apply for this job. If you are ready, let's go. So guys, we have various companies that you can use to relocate to Poland. Like as I always tell you, Poland is a beautiful country. So let me show you some recruiting agencies that normally help people. We have Michael Page, we have Adecco. These two companies are among those that I use in explaining this video to you guys. To search for this job is very simple. Let's use the first one as a case study, Michael Page. You see, we have job search, we have my account. We have job seekers. If you come to job seekers, you can click any of these IT jobs, finance jobs, sales marketing, depending on the job you are looking for. You can also discover all job offers. Are you seeing it, guys? You can see it. Let me zoom it so that you see it. Now, you can send your CV, you can create an account, our recruitment process, you can find time to read these things, guys. So you can apply for a job by clicking on this link and it will take you to it. Now, this is the employers for those who are employers, and you can read the contact side of it. Now, let's look at how to apply for jobs. To apply for jobs, you can come here and click discover all jobs. So when you come to this page, you will see we have a search box where you can put the title of the job you're looking for, the city, the salary range you're looking for, and the salary max, minimum and max. Then you can also click here when you are done by clicking search. So most times what I like doing is, like you can see, if you go down, you see a popular links that will take you to the kind of job you're looking for: accountant, controller, engineer, HR manager, project manager, sales manager. Just take your time to read them. So you see, looking for new opportunities, you have a lot of them. For those of you that are interested in customer service, engineering and manufacturing, healthcare and life sciences, hospitality and leisure, you can just click any link and apply for this job. So let me take one example. Let's assume you want to go through this part. You put the warehouse and search. So you have 4 jobs in warehouse operation. So as a warehouse manager, let's see what you will need to have. You can do the filtering by language. You can put it as English only, so that only English job will come out. So this is it, the English job. So you can right click to see it fully. Now click on view job, or you can save job for later. So once you click it, you will see what they want. Always use Google Chrome, because you see it will enable you, address the issue of translation. Now this is the location. Always go for permanent job. It was added since October, and now we're in November. They've not taken this job. As you can see, it says this is about the company. This is the job description. So ensure you read this job description, and these are the things you will get after being successful. Then what's an offer? The opportunity to work in dynamically developing company with international prospects, participation in the construction and development of new production plant. Are you seeing it? Supports in professional and personal development in an environment conducive for innovation, attractive salary package and benefit, a chance to work in a company that focuses on equality and exclusivity. Now, this company does not discriminate. That's what they are trying to tell you. So you can apply for this job, whether be it a black man, a white man, whether you, if you, even if you are not from Poland, you can apply for this job. So it says the opportunity to work with a team of enthusiasts and a friendly work environment. So guys, what else you need to do is just to click on the apply button. Once you click on the apply button, you apply with your CV or you apply with your LinkedIn handle. So if you put your CV there, then you click next, you will follow through. That's all. Now, let's look at another one. Let's take another job. Let's look for another job. Let's assume we want to go through, let's look at the jobs. Let's look at this. Let's go through this part. For those of you who would like to see how this part works, let's take a random one. Which of them? Let's look at project manager. Let's see. So we have 2 project manager job. So like I said, you can filter it here to get English only. So the number has reduced to 17, as you can see. So these are English job. So you translate to English. Now you see we have IT manager, sales manager, product manager, IT project manager. So these jobs are there for you to apply. So let's assume you are interested in this one. As you can see, is permanent. So you click view job. So now you read the job description. As you're reading it, ensure you have your CV ready. So when you are done reading everything, you click on apply. This is the contract type, which is permanent. This is the reference number, and this is the sector that you're working in, and this is the industry. And the location is Warsaw, which is the capital of Poland. So you click on apply, and you do the same. See it? Now there's something I will need you to do for me. Your LinkedIn is very important when applying for jobs. So ensure that you optimize your CV. Make sure what you have in your CV is the same thing that you have in your LinkedIn account. Because most of the time, these employers, they go behind your back to check, do what we call background check to see if what you are claiming you have is correct. So one of the ways they do it is through your LinkedIn handles. So if you know your LinkedIn is not in proper shape, I will advise you to either delete it or edit it to suit your CV. All right, let's continue. So now you put your CV or use your LinkedIn to apply. That's it. You follow next and all. Now the next site we're looking at is Adecco. Now this is the sites. You will see temporary jobs, permanent recruitment, industrial outsourcing, feed marketing, IT services, contact center, find us. Are you seeing it? So now you look at innovative, everything, just go through this site. Are you seeing it, guys? Just go through this site. This is the contact number, an email. If you want to email them, you use this. If you want international jobs, you click here. Now, this is for you. For you, it says, are you interested in working abroad? Be sure to check out what we can offer you. Jobs in the Netherlands, the best job offers in Norway, and many other popular destinations are just some of the proposals from our offer. Our qualified consultant will accompany you throughout the recruitment process. Formalities and buttoning up will therefore not be a problem at all. We cooperate with Adecco branches all over the world, explore our offer. Hundreds of new jobs offered outside the country are already here waiting for you. So you can click here to join Check Jobs Abroad. Are you seeing it? So guys, if you're interested in that, you click on Check Jobs Abroad. So now, if you want to apply for a job in Poland, you click on Job Offers. So when you click on Job Offers, you can apply here, by clicking this link. You fill the form. You can just take your time to fill the form. Now, there are 4 ways you can fill the form. It's either you use your CV, collect your CV from your device or from Google Drive or from Job Boss or from the application without CV. So if you want to apply without CV, you click here. When you click here, it will give you the application form. You will fill it online and make sure you click the check box and you confirm and apply. Okay, we have Randstad. Randstad is one beautiful site you can use to search for jobs. Currently, let's look at the jobs that are available. We have 50 jobs for you, so you can use this site to find jobs in Poland. Production worker, customer solution specialist, new product development, technology solutions architect, sales manager, project manager, software engineer, and you can view 20 more and you will see all of them. They are all here. So you can choose the one you want to apply. Let's assume you want to apply for electrical engineer. Click on it and you will read the job description. As you can see, it's a permanent job, and you can translate if it's not in English. Join us in solving global energy challenges. So you read everything. This is the work experience. So now when you are done with this, guys, it says over 24 months work experience. So get in touch. We are here to help you with your questions. So if you have any questions, you ask them there. So you read it. When you are satisfied with this job, you click on, look at when it was posted, 3rd of October 2024, and it closes 1st of November 2024. So always check this. So it's closing today. What you need to do is to apply. So you click on apply and you are good to go. You put your name. If you want to translate, you right click and translate and put your name, put your phone number, email, location, city, attach your CV by clicking on this pin. Then, are you over 18 years old? If yes, you click yes. Then you continue, mark all. If you agree, then you click send. That's how you apply for jobs here. So this is one company you can also use to get jobs. It's called Green Factory. So what you do, come to this place, you see join us, click on join us. When you click on join us, you will come across things you need to know. Join us. Now, before we go further, if you look at this already, you will know that they are into vegetables. Like I said, if you've not watched our video on seasonal jobs, on how to get a agricultural job in UK, here's the link. Click that link and apply. So guys, what does the recruitment look like? These are the job application analysis. From there, telephone interview, on-site interview, decision, onboarding. So if you want to contact them, you copy this email and send them a mail. It's as simple as that, guys. Is this not wonderful? Yes. And let's see the benefits. So you have private health care, life insurance, grant for sport and language, prepaid cards, employee recommendation program, charity initiative, training, integration meetings, no dress code. So guys, this is fabulous. You have all the benefits you need to apply for this job. This benefit is enough for you to apply. This is the government website, gov.pl. If you want to find anything about employment, this is where you come. Now you can get job with this site. It says US. Are you seeing it? You can voluntary jobs. You can get jobs here. Are you seeing it, guys? So another thing you should know, you can use this job assistant to search for job. You can also use all these sites to search for jobs. Guys, if you have watched this video to this very point and you've not yet given this video a like, please kindly do so. And if you've not turned on your post notification bell, kindly turn on the post notification bell so that you don't miss any video as it's dropping, as the odds you they apply. Guys, let's look at more sites. Look at sites you can use to crack. You can see it. I will leave all these links in the description box of this video. So all you need is to start applying for this job. So for those of you that have watched this video to the very end, I say congratulations to you and I wish you all the best. I pray that you get this job as you apply. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video.